This is the 4-ounce pack of the Lineage Classic Meat Sticks. This is grass-fed beef and organs. So you see it's got the grass-fed beef. It's got the liver and heart in here as well. These are just really great beef sticks. I typically was eating like Chomps or the Archer ones before, and these are great. This is what the pieces look like right here. They're just smaller pieces, and one serving is 1 ounce. So you'd have 4 ounces, so you'd have 4 servings here. So a 4-ounce bag here, you'd see the top just reseals. This is a really nice packaging here. I've been using Lineage products for a while. I also use their honey. It's really great. They made some really phenomenal stuff. But these meat sticks are really great. You definitely want to try these. If you're using Chomps or any of the other brands, these are just basically the ingredient list right here. You see 100% grass-fed beef heart, red wine vinegar, grass-fed beef liver, sea salt, beef collagen casing, and that's it. When you get the Chomps, they are grass-fed, but they're just not as, they don't have the organs in there. So you absolutely want to try these. If you use meat sticks, you definitely want to try the Lineage Classic ones. Highly recommend them.